Uncle Si and Bradley adding. What are you adding? A new nest?
Oh, another part.
You're upgrading their home.
Those ones out too.
She's bigger than the rest. So.
Yeah,
is that supposed to stick to that?
This is a screen here,
Yeah, that's it.
and she can't go up.
Sorry.
But some of the honey might be below too.
Yes, there's honey below, and there's all her eggs and cocoons and. I don't want to know what's in the honey.
always wonder.
The honey is just made with bee spit.
No,
It's pure.
I
know.
Fry up. Use the other end.
Bradley's
It's
volunteering.
the propolis, so it sticks like glue. Huh? It sticks like glue.
This end is stuck
Yeah, you got to go all four corners.
all the way around.
And just be careful you don't squish one, because that's when they.
Yes, that's when you
sting.
piss them off if you kill one.
Yeah.
Well, and they sting if you.
And
Lift
one
it up.
more on the other side.
Ooh, they're there.
Oh.
Hey,
Smoke the ones on there.
Okay.
Swing them around.
Do you want me to hold that, Si? No?
There's some stuff on the top too there.
Yep, but they're working on that.
Yeah, they can have the top. We don't want the top.
Careful to run a marathon.
Had to run a marathon. 300-meter marathon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sure you're only supposed to put 9.
You're only supposed to what?
Put 9
9 what?
frames. This is a frame.
Yeah, I know.
You have to leave some there.
Don't shake it.
Just try. It's got to be
For
flat.
the love of God, do not knock it over.
They won't get on it if it's not flat.
What do we do if it
Do you
knocks
want to
over?
take one of
Run.
these frames out here or no? You didn't bring the brush.
Just hope you're faster than everyone.
There's no honey up here. I thought maybe we could get some honey.
I've been
but
running.
there's no.
How about you?
I can run a short distance
Okay.
before I get
Here,
all
let me hold
easy.
that, and you can
Don't
put
drop
that
it.
one. I won't drop it. You can put that one on.
Why'd you catch up on myself?
Where'd it go?
Upgrade.
Yes. They'll be happy as little pigs in honey.
They all go
I gotta
through.
try
I don't think
this
that's where
out.
pigs are happy.
But you're going to squish them. Poor
It's
things.
sticking to me.